Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to Pannu's Quilling Point. I am Pratnya and today I am going to share you about how do I pack my parcel and how do I ship and all the process. Recently actually I got a question that the how do you pack and how do you deliver your product and all sort of packing and shipping questions. So I'm going to share you each and everything. How do I pack the parcel? And the parcel is going to Bangalore. Earlier I used to do I used to post the courier using India Post, and in India Post you have to go there in the office, and then you have to give the parcel, and the process is carried on by themselves, and then they ship the parcel. Now what happened, because of the COVID and all the situation in the nearby area, and all the because of the lockdown, I have tried something different this time. This time I'm using ShipRocket, and it is my third parcel which I'm going to ship in front of you. So this is a really good experience, and they come at home, and you just have to give your parcel. So I'm just going to share everything with you. She has asked a question, but not only her, but it can help so many people. And maybe if anyone is not knowing about ShipRocket, then they can get connected with them, and even you can deliver your courier from your home, and it's really easy. So let's begin with the process. How do I do? And in between I'll be telling you about what I'm using, whatever things I'm using, and I'll be telling you about how do I pack the stuff. So let's begin with the video. Hi. So I'm sitting down right now, and I'm feeling comfortable as sitting down and doing the packing. So I'll be showing you what are the material I'm going to use for packing. So these are the sellotapes, big sellotapes, transparent sellotape, and this is brown sellotape. And this is the corrugated box. I bought it from Amazon. It's like this, and then it becomes a box. It is 4 by 4 inches, and the link of this box is in the description below. You can check out the size of the boxes. They have different sizes, and they courier around 25 to 50 boxes like this. So I bought them in bulk 2 years back, and it's still there. This is the bubble wrap currently I'm using. Actually, I bought a big sheet of this bubble wrap, and I'm still using that only. Then these are my things. These are the items which I'm going to ship. And these are my cards which I'm going to put it inside, and there are some freebies also which I give to my each and every client, and these are the notes. And mostly I'm going to put it inside this bag, but I'm not sure. And also I'm going to use these potlies. Now these potlies I bought it I think last year from Buleshwar, and they're really good. I have 3 colors in this. Yeah, Buleshwar ka vlog rahega actually. Let me know if you want me to vlog in Buleshwar and tell you what are the beautiful things are there in Buleshwar. It is basically a market. It is a wholesale market for jewelry, for dresses, and mostly for jewelry items also. It is near Churni Road. So you let me know in the comments. And yeah, so mostly everything is ready, and of course scissors. So let's do the packing. After this I'll be showing you how do I book my parcel, and why it is important to book your parcel. To pack your parcel before booking it, because the dimensions and everything about the parcel you have to feed inside that site, and then your parcel gets booked. So let's begin with the process. Now I'm going to write a handwritten note, which I usually give to all my clients, the handwritten note about everything, how I did this, and thanking them. So I'm going to write this. For this, I'm going to cut a heart shape of this paper. So I'm starting this. Now everything is ready, and I'm going to start packing. So let me show you. I'm going to use these beautiful potlies. Uh, so let's start. The parcel is ready, but it is not ready to ship yet because इस पे bill नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. So I'm going to do that too in front of you. So let's measure this box. So it is around, you can say, around 4 inches, that is 10 centimeter का box है, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So I'm going to book the parcel in front of you using ShipRocket, and that process I'll be showing you in my PC, that is on my desktop, कि book कैसे करते हैं. And it is really easy कि being a mom, I'm not able to go to the post office and to book the courier. So it's better that I'm doing this, and it is really helpful. They come at home, come at your place, they call before coming, and then you just have to deliver it. So now the next process is how I'm going to book the parcel. If you want to see this part, then you just skip pehle wala part, and then you can just check out this part. So yeah, the link of this boxes is there in the description. You can get different sizes. इसमें normally I think so 5 pair of earrings जा सकते, 4 to 5 pair, because it is quite small, and big items के लिए ये boxes नहीं है. So it is for your small items. So I'll be showing you the next process of actually how to book the parcel. So this is a site of ShipRocket, and here are some options. So now as we want to make a new order, so we'll go to order and create new shipment, and this is the place of my address because it is the account. So I have already filled up all the details. Then here is the delivery pin code. So this is the details of product's name. For example, Quilling earring is the product name. Then quantity. Then what is the price? Suppose quantity is 1 and price is suppose 280. Then you can also add the items over here. Then comes the dimensions and weight. So in this part you have to mention the weight. Approximately it's 200 grams. So it is 0. Then is the length, the dimensions of the box. So it is 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, and it is not a cash on delivery. So in case if you have, then you can mention over here, and then click over here, search courier partners. So according to the weight and the pin code, it will search the courier partners which are available, and they can deliver your parcel. Okay. So here are the courier partners which will deliver your parcel. So just check out the estimated delivery date and like this, and check out whichever you want. So now this parcel is going to like maybe it will reach on 1st Jan. So I'm selecting FedEx, and then I'm moving ahead, ship with FedEx. So ship with FedEx. Then over here you have to enter the details. of your customer. Currently I'm not entering anything. Okay, and the details and the address, and then you can ship now. You can see you can say ship now. Okay, so it is ship now. Ship now. So here you have to generate pickup now and generate pickup later. So this is pickup now, right? So it is pickup now, and this is how your order is generated over here, and this is how you will get your details about when they will come to pick up and all those things. So now I'm going to the market to take the printout of my bill. So now you have seen that we have booked the parcel, and there are two things that need to be taken printout of. That is a manifest and the bill. So I'm going to the shop outside because I don't have a printer at my home. So I'm going to the shop. I'm taking this everything in this pen drive, and I'll take printout of it, and then I'll be sticking on my parcel. So I'll show you that also. So currently I'm going out fatafat, and I'll take the printout now. Yeah, bye. So here is the printout of the bill, and this is the manifest. So these are two different copies actually, but we have printed in one only. And this you have to submit to the person, and this I'm going to stick it on the parcel so that it will reach the destination, and all the details are here itself, like to and from and all the other details. So I'm just sticking it over this. So let me show you this again. So as you have seen that I have done with packing and all the billing and everything. So the person will call us. So the person from FedEx will call us, and he'll come to pick up the parcel, and then everything will be tracked on the website ShipRocket. So I really love this process, and the timings and the way they contact us. So I hope this parcel will reach soon, and I'm really happy to make this order for her. So I hope you like this video. I will show you how the process happens when the courier person comes, and the way he tracks, and how I deliver it. So this you can check out this site, and it will be really helpful for you. So let them call, and then I will capture that video for you.
मी प्री अप्रूव्ह केलेलं म्हणून आपल्याला हे नाही आलं वाटतं.
ठीक है लेकिन उसको बोल फिर जल्दी जल्दी खड़ा कर दो, लेकिन वो लोग आते हैं कितना टाइम बजा देता है यार. हाँ हाँ हाँ
थैंक यू. So अभी आपने देखा that how I book the parcel, how I pack it, how the delivery person comes, and everything about the packaging and shipping of the parcel. So this is the process which I follow, and thanks a lot for watching video till this end. Also I want to tell you that there is a link in the description. It is a link basically for the referral code for ShipRocket. That is जब भी आप first time account create करोगे and you will create your wallet, आप उसमें wallet में when you add money you will get a referral cash over there if you use this code. So if you're using it, do use it. एक cash amount आपके wallet में add हो जाएगी and that will be helpful for you for your booking the courier. So I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot. And this is my first, I think, YouTube video for this year 2021. So thanks a lot for supporting me, and now I'm almost completing 2K. So I'm so happy and I'm so glad that you all have made me reach till here. So thanks a lot, and I'm ending this video. Do let me know about how you found this video in the comment section below, and I'm waiting for you all your comments. Bye, see you, take care.